Hi, I'm Bill Lampton, the Biz Communication Guy. The business leader said to me, I'm okay, Bill, when I have a prepared speech, one that I've had time to work on, outline, maybe rehearse, get into my brain, but I am just not where I need to be when it comes to what we call impromptu speaking. Impromptu speaking is really what we refer to sometimes as speaking off the cuff. For example, let's say that you're in a sales presentation. Your prospect asks you a question that no other prospect has asked you before. You've got to come up with an answer that is clear, compelling, and convincing. How do you do that? Just off the cuff, as we say. Or maybe you're in a corporate meeting. You're asked to give a progress report on a project. No preparation, no notes, no outline, or it could easily be, and this happened many times when I was in management, someone might say to you, well, what do you think of that idea that Ted just talked about? What's your reaction? Do you like it, or you have a better suggestion? We have to be ready. And yet, many of us have never had any guidelines about impromptu speaking. Our speech courses talked about speeches that we had time to get ready for. That's why I have designed a coaching plan for business leaders who want to strengthen their impromptu speaking skills. There are several points that I will help you with. One will be how not to begin your reply. If you begin it in the wrong way, you can turn your listeners off and not get them back. What about trite words that you should avoid? What about your facial expression, your body language? And then again, too, how do you capture and hold attention? When it comes to ending your remarks, is there a way that you can conclude which pulls it all together and gives a fine, strong ending to your impromptu remarks? I'm suggesting to you that you will excel professionally when you learn how to speak impromptu, as I like to put it. When you're speaking off the cuff, don't try to bluff. Give them solid stuff. Call me and let's talk about the coaching plan that we can devise for you so that you can speak impromptu with what I like to call poise, power, and persuasion. You see my phone number. Give me a call. Bill Lampton, the Biz Communication Guy. Thanks for being with me today, and I look forward to hearing from you and hopefully assisting you in this important part of your professional development.